It has been an awesome journey of partnership. I saw some articles about so many lines are back now operating in PRASA on the news, and I was glad to know that you are our building partner, our building partner bringing infrastructure to South Africa. And just that we can't see everything bad, because everything bad is ushering a space for us, for great partnerships between people like us. And I think your Soweto Energy project will be done soon. If we are here now with PRASA doing what we are rebuilding PRASA, and we'll be rebuilding energy in South Africa.
Thank you, Nati. And it's a pleasure for us to be part of this relationship. It's for us. It is not to be. It's not to be a leading partner in the joint venture. We want to be partners in the joint venture. We want to take hands, and we want to make the project a success. We're looking forward to expand the relationship beyond only rail. We know that there is space for women in infrastructure, and I'm saying it here on the public platform, is that we will embrace it, and we will work together on other projects as well. So I think then in celebration of our partnership, in celebration of this project, let's ring this bell.